Good morning, children. Welcome to today's physics class. Today's class will further learn about mirrors. So, the previous class we learnt about the plane mirrors and also the characteristics of the image formed on a plane mirror. So, today we will further learn about concave and convex mirrors. So, to understand about these two types of mirrors, first we will start with a simple activity, children. You take a stainless steel spoon, let it be a new spoon so that it will be having a highly polished surface. As you all know that then only any surface can act as a mirror. So now you take a stainless steel spoon, children. So as a game you can try to find your image on the spoon. So first what we will do, bring the outer side of the spoon near your face, children. So when you are holding the spoon, you will be able to understand that the spoon is having two surfaces. Yes, one is the outer, that is bulged surface. The other side you have the curved inner surface. First you try to understand the two types of surfaces which you can touch and feel and understand. The one is the bulged outer surface. The other side is the curved inner surface. So now, we are going to observe the image, your image, or you want to hold a pen or pencil in front of the spoon, you can even observe the image of the pen or pencil. So let us see now, outer side, you are going to hold the outer side of the spoon near your face and you look into it. Of course, you will be able to see your image. So as soon as we discussed earlier about the image, you just to see whether the image, the size of the image, you note down whether it is enlarged or diminished. By now you know that enlarged and diminished image. And next you see whether it is upright or upside down. Yes, children. So you might have observed and you can note it down what type of image you have seen when you are holding the spoon. The outer side of the spoon you are focusing and you are seeing your image or the image of the pencil or pen you are holding in your hand. Yeah. Next, what you do? You turn to the next other surface of the spoon. So now you will be, this time you will be seeing, just if when you hold it, you will be seeing one image, erect image. Just I myself am saying it is an erect image and it will be in larger in size. Yes, so now you know that it is upright, so it is erect and it is larger. Larger than what, children? Larger than the object. Who is the object here? Your face is the object. You are going to keep it as object or you are going to hold a pencil or pen as an object. Now what you have to do? You increase the distance, children. Distance. You please move the spoon away from your face. So let us consider only you are focusing your you want to see your image of the face. So just you increase the distance. When you increase the distance, at one point you will be surprised to see that there will be an inverted image. So by now you all know that inverted means upside down image will be formed. Then that is what type of image, children? When it is upside down, it is, you can see when you are holding the outer side of the spoon, and also when you are able to get only one type of image when you are holding the outer side of the image. But when you are holding towards the inside of the spoon and you are moving it, and when you are bringing it closer to you and when you are moving away from your face, you can be able to find out the two types of images. So that's what. Now why these differences and how they are connected to the concave and convex mirror, that's what is going to be our today's learning. I hope it will be interesting to learn about this concave and convex mirrors. Yeah, children, we'll move on. So these two mirrors, actually, see here, this is a picture of the concave. First we'll concentrate on the concave mirror. So which part of a mirror is called as the concave mirror, or which mirrors are called as concave, and when a mirror is called as a convex mirror. By now you all have a clear idea about a plane mirror. So when the surface, the reflecting surface is flat, it is a plane mirror. Now here you can see two pictures, children. A and B. A, you can see the reflecting surface. Where is the reflecting surface? You can point out. And also B also, where is the reflecting surface? You can note it down. Now let us concentrate on the first image, that is the concave mirror. So here the reflecting surface, how is it, children? So it is curved inwards. Yes, the reflecting surface is curved inwards. But when you take the convex, you can see the reflecting surface is bulged outwards. So first of all, we should know this difference between these two, concave and convex mirror. Concave mirror, the reflecting surface is curved inwards. In the convex mirror, the reflecting surface is bulged outwards. So, and you can see that down, you can see that both the mirrors, there is a word spherical mirrors. Why are they called as spherical mirrors, children? These two are the two types of spherical mirrors actually. So why are they spherical mirrors? Just let us see. Yeah. So you can see both of them, that is the convex and concave, are the part of a sphere. They are the part of a sphere. A spherical mirror is a part of a sphere. So the two types of spherical mirrors are convex and concave. How are they different? Now the reflecting surface only is going to be the difference between the both of them, and because of that only, as you use the spoon, you are able to find out the image formation also differs. Now when the concave, you see the reflecting surface is curved inwards, and the convex mirror, you see the reflecting surface is bulged outwards. Now let us concentrate on the concave mirror and we will try to understand, children. Now you can see your concave mirror is, so concave mirror, now you all know that the reflecting surface is curved inwards. Now you are holding a concave mirror and you are trying to get the image. So as such, in a plane mirror, you will be able to see your mirror, yourself in the plane mirror. Now in the spoon, when you are holding also, you are seeing the image on the spoon. So now by now you know the difference between the real and virtual image. Now in this picture you can see, children, there is a screen shown, and it is also, you see the outside the window, concave mirror is being holded, and they are holding a screen and they are trying to get the image. Now when we are able to get the image on a screen, what type of image it is, children? Very good. It is the virtual image, and virtual, it is a real image, and the real image is how it will be? It will be inverted. So using a concave mirror, it is evident that we are able to get a real image, and the real image will be, three things are visible here. We are able to get it on a screen. It is a real image and the image is inverted. Same thing happened when you are holding the spoon. Even now also, when you are listening to this, you can hold the spoon and you hold it to the outer side of that is the bulged part of the spoon, and you can increase the distance between you and your face and the spoon, and you will be able to find out your inverted image, that is the real image. Now let us try to understand how the image is formed using a concave mirror. Now you see, children, so now you know that concave, automatically when you hear the concave mirror, you will draw the mirror not a straight line, not a flat surface. It is going to be a curved surface, but the reflecting surface will be inwards. It is inside of the curve. So now see the parallel rays of light striking the mirror, and they are getting reflected back. As it is a mirror, you know that almost all the rays will get reflected and they will converge at a point, and that is how the image, that is the real image, is formed using the concave mirror. But same spoon, when you are holding, you are able to see the virtual image also, no, children. When you are holding just like that, you are able to see your virtual, that is upright image also. So a concave, that's what we can understand through an activity. So now this is called a ray, as I told you already, this is called the ray diagram. So earlier you learnt about the ray diagram using the plane mirror. Now you can see the ray diagram showing the image formation in a concave mirror. Now Now we will, even here also, a candle is kept and a concave mirror is being kept, and also you know the screen. So whenever we are able to get an image on the screen, you know that it is a real image. So it is inverted. Let us see, understand it clearly, children. So in your textbook, you can keep open your textbook, children. 181 page number, you can see the activity 15.7, which clearly illustrates how images are formed using a concave mirror. So in the 15.15, you can see that using a screen, as it was shown earlier, as I shown in the previous picture, you can see the real image, that is inverted image, will be formed. Now try to bring the candle near to the same thing you can do with the spoon, and you can understand near to the flame, and you will be able to see that even size also every time you compare. Here only clearly you can see that figure 15.15 and the 15.16, how are the images different as far the size is concerned. Real image is very small, that is called as the diminished image, and when you see the virtual image in 15.16, it is enlarged. Enlarged means bigger than the object, the flame size, and that is it is upright, so it is the virtual image. So using a concave mirror, both type of images, that is the real and the virtual images, can be formed. So concave mirrors can form both the real and virtual image. So when it can form real image, that image can be taken on a screen, it can be viewed on a screen, and it will be upside down. Yes, and when it is a virtual image, it cannot be taken on a screen, and it will be enlarged, means it is bigger than the size of the flame. That's what we are considering here as an object. So this is all about the concave mirror, children. Again I repeat, just holding the spoon only you can understand this concept very clearly. And what might be the use? When we learnt about the plane mirrors use, we discuss so many things, how it is used in where all we are using. But here, what type of uses will be there for the concave mirror? Are we using concave mirrors anywhere? Yes. See, shaving mirrors, that is called, that's what they have mentioned as makeup mirrors. So there the concave mirror, because they will show that, just now you understood, no, enlarged, that word was used. So it will enlarge and show, so it will be giving a clear image, and it will be used for it can be used for doing the makeup part. And a dental doctor will use such type of mirror, what for, children? So that he can enlarge and see clearly what is the problem. Even in the lighthouse mirrors, so that they can cover up the larger areas and they can spread the light. Even in the telescope also, concave mirrors are used. Even in the reflectors of torches, headlights of cars and scooters are concave. You can touch the surface and see. In your headlight will be there, no, in your vehicles, whatever car when you have at home. Just you see, touch and see whether it is having flat surface or whether it is having a curved surface, whether the reflecting surface is curved inwards or bulged outwards. Then you will be understanding what type of mirror is used in the headlight of the cars. So these all are the uses of concave mirrors. First of all, what should you know about this? What are concave mirrors? What type of images can be formed on concave mirrors, and how it can be, where it is used, and how to get the images by moving the by increasing the distance between the object and the screen, and also object and the mirror. So that is what we saw in the previous slides. Now next we will move on to the convex. Now you see this convex mirror. How is the reflecting surface, children? The reflecting surface is the curve is inwards or outwards. So outer curved surface is going to be the reflecting surface here. So see that outer surface is going to be the bulged part, is going to be the reflecting surface. So here what happens whenever the light rays are made to fall on them or falls on them, so they are getting, see how they are getting reflected. You just observe the ray diagram, how they are getting reflected. So when they are getting reflected, this happened when the same thing happened when you are holding the spoon. Just first you did know, just you are holding the spoon when it is the outer part of the spoon I told you to hold and see first. So that is the example what you have to compare and learn here. So that time you are able to see your image, and it was the what type of image. See, you can see that without the actual intersection only the focus point is given, and it is the image is formed. It can clearly, it is shown in this picture. So that is going to be the virtual image. Now you can see the curve, both are curved mirrors because they are the part of a sphere. So now you see how the concave mirror, why it is called converging, means all the reflected rays are converging at a point and they are forming the real images, and also they will form the virtual images, concave. But convex mirrors, they will form the virtual image only. So that you can experiment with your the spoon what you are having in your hand. Just you can keep on increasing the distance between your face and the spoon. At no point it will be able to form a real image. Always you will be able to see the virtual image only when we take the convex mirror. So again we will try to understand about the convex mirror using the candle flame. So if you keep on increasing the distance or bringing it closer, at all points between the candle is going to be the object and the mirror, and you will be seeing always it is going to be the virtual image. And if you hold the screen also, that will be not able to get the, you cannot be able to get the image on the screen. It cannot be viewed on the, instead of using the get, we can say that it cannot be viewed on the screen. So convex mirrors always forms the virtual images. And then where can we use this? What are their uses? Let us try to understand. See here, where are these convex mirrors are used? That picture is there. So you can see in the supermarket, the first picture shows the supermarkets, there will be convex mirrors will be placed. And also see here the street lights, you can see mirrors of the vehicles. What might be the reason, children? What might be the reason? Just you can think, so that the answer is here only. Convex mirrors are used in the given images because, see, it helps the driver. This is in the case of rear view mirror. It will help the driver to see the vehicles behind them. It covers a larger area as compared to the plane mirror or concave mirror. Even you know that concave mirror also forms the virtual image. Plane mirror also forms the virtual image. Then why do we select only convex mirrors as the side view mirrors, or to view the what is happening in a supermarket? Somebody will be supervising, no? So somebody is shoplifting, or anything is happening. So that to supervise it, why particularly convex mirrors are used? They will form virtual image, that is yes, but also they will cover a larger area, and small and that is the diminished images and clear images, erect images will be formed. This helps the driver to see the vehicles behind in case of a rear view mirror. Same way, wherever it is used, it is very helpful to find out, as it can cover a larger area, and it can create a erect image, and always it will get inverted as in case of concave what it happened. That is why convex mirrors are used as the rear view mirrors in vehicles, and also they are used, as we discussed, in the departmental stores and supermarkets, to keep an eye on the shoplifters. It is been used, as they will always they will be forming the virtual images, erect images, and also they can cover a larger area. So these are the uses of convex mirrors, and why it is used also it has been explained. Now there is a question again for you. Why convex mirrors are used in rear view mirrors in vehicles? But in case of previously I told you about the headlights of vehicles, so that is concave. So now only you can draw a car headlight, you can mark as concave mirror, and the rear view mirror as a convex. And why here convex mirror and why there concave mirror? You can try to clearly explain it, and what are the reasons why we use here concave as headlight, and why the rear view mirrors are always convex. I hope you can do it on your own. Next, children, see, again coming back to the same activity because as you are at home and you have to learn, self learning is also very important as a part of your everyday learning. Certain things you have to continue by trying out on your own. So after this, you watch this, take out your A4 sheet paper, take a new spoon, better to take a new stainless steel spoon. First you see that, draw the first part. When you are seeing, focusing yourself, you are seeing yourself through the inside surface of the spoon, and write what type of image you are able to see, whether it is about the size you mention, whether it is upright or inverted you mention it, whether you are able to view it on a screen you mention, and then come to a conclusion what type of image it is and what type of mirror it is, what type of mirror it is acting as. Then you turn the spoon, then again you keep on increase the distance and find out what type of images you are able to find out. How is it? It is upright or inverted, it is diminished or enlarged. Diminished means smaller than your face size, enlarged means it is bigger than your face size. So enlarged or diminished or upright or upside down. And after that you come to a conclusion whether it is a real or virtual, and then you can mention the concave and convex. When we call, what are convex mirrors, what are concave mirrors, what type of images are formed, and then even the candle experiment you can try to read and understand from the textbook, and you can write it as an example, and then you conclude with the uses for both the concave and convex mirrors. So then only your learning will be completed, children. So today's class learnt about the concave and the convex mirrors. So take out your, later you take your textbook, very clear pictures are being given, and even in this video also you have the pictures. You from 179 textbook page number to 183, read 2 to 3 times. You will be able to understand the concept very well, and even you have some tabular columns there that you can complete it using this new stainless spoon only. You can complete the activity, and you can in A4 sheet side, one side concave and one side convex part you can complete, and you can send me the pictures, children. So by now you are able to differentiate plane mirrors, concave mirrors and convex mirrors. Let us meet in the next class, children. Bye bye, children.